Research has shown that individuals who are confronted by adverse childhood experiences are at a greater risk of experiencing harm and victimization later in life. The Kawartha Sexual Assault Centre wanted to help reduce this risk by offering individuals the opportunity to take part in a 10-week program that invites resilience. This program was created for young women aged 13 to 18 who have witnessed or experienced some form of harm.
With building internal resilience through horses, we work in partnership with the horses on the ground. There's no riding involved and no previous riding experience is required. Horses are highly sensitive animals. They have evolved in a way that they're very sensitive to what's happening in their environment and who's in their environment. So they respond to our body language, our energy level, the tone of our voice, even our nervous system if we're anxious or nervous. So they're always sort of responding to what we present. And with equine-assisted learning, you work with a facilitator, and the experience is such that it's set up with an intent or an objective, and the participants learn things like boundaries, healthy relationship, connections, body language. The Building Internal Resilience Through Horses program really is a trauma-informed program. We have a number of different components of the program that reflect that. So for example, we have group safety principles, we have horse safety principles that are introduced and reinforced with each night of the program. We provide the young women with safe space.
The horse I was working with, his name is Samson. He is very full of himself. A boundary setting was it was interesting with him. He definitely got into my space a couple times, and you just have to, don't be afraid to show your feelings around them.
One of the strongest themes that came through in their feedback and in their comments was the theme of connectedness and trust. And so many have said in almost the same words, I've learned that I can trust again, even though I've had my trust broken a lot.
You just have to be yourself, and then that's when they can connect with you. And that's something I find really cool with them, is that it's something I never thought about horses before. You would never think that they would be the type of animal that would connect to you and, you know, kind of be your little helper, I guess.
Horses are wonderful natural coaches. They are naturally curious, they're gentle creatures, they are always seeking safety, and they're always seeking connection, even with the humans that they're working with. And it's in that moment of connection that you really see a seed of possibility take root, and it's really quite beautiful to experience it and be witness to the growth that's possible here as part of this program.
We're seeing that the strongest improvements were in reduction of post-traumatic stress symptoms like anger and anxiety and dissociation. And they were also accompanied by increases in participants' emotional self-awareness, interpersonal skills, the sense of relatedness and bonds with others, and a sense of personal mastery and confidence and optimistic outlook on the future.
And I would definitely recommend this to teens that are out there dealing with things and needing strategies to help get through things. This is definitely the program for you. You walk into it thinking complete disbelief of things that people tell you about this with horses and, you know, boundary settings and stuff like that. And then you walk out thinking like, wow, I can do this.